Welcome back, Python Padawans. Hey there, Python enthusiasts. Remember our Python for Newbies session? You've graduated. Time to step up your game. Python's like that trusty Swiss Army knife. Versatile, powerful, and surprisingly fun. It's used everywhere, from powering Netflix recommendations to helping scientists understand the universe. Python's popularity is skyrocketing, and for good reason. It's readable, efficient, and has a massive community that's super helpful. No, really, they're the best. This popularity makes Python a valuable skill in your toolbox. Learning Python can boost your career, open up new opportunities, and let's be honest, it's just plain cool to be able to code. In this follow-up guide, we'll dive into more advanced concepts. We'll explore the magic of lists, loops, functions, and dictionaries. Think of this as Python boot camp. We'll whip your code into shape, make it efficient, and maybe even teach it to tell a joke or two. Bad jokes are still jokes, right? So grab your coding hats, strap in, and let's get this Python party started. Remember, the journey of 1,000 lines of code begins with a single print. Hello world. Level up your logic, lists, and loops, the dynamic duo. Lists are like the ultimate organizers of the Python world. Imagine a container where you can store anything, numbers, words, even other lists. It's like having a digital Mary Poppins bag for your code. Lists help you manage data efficiently, making your code cleaner and more powerful. Now let's talk loops. Loops are like the Energizer bunnies of Python. They keep going and going until their task is done. They let you repeat a block of code multiple times, which is super handy for tasks like processing data from a list. Think of it as automating your chores. You tell the loop what to do, and it does it for every item on your list. No more tedious repetition. Together, lists and loops are a dynamic duo. They help you tackle complex tasks, manipulate data, and automate repetitive action. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be writing more efficient, elegant code in no time. Let's look at a practical example. Python names =, for name and names print hello plus name plus. This simple code snippet creates a list of names and then uses a loop to greet each person individually. Easy peasy, right? This is just a taste of what you can do with lists and loops. There's a whole universe of possibilities waiting to be explored. Functions, your code's personal assistants. Imagine having a team of personal assistants for your code. That's what functions are. They're reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks, making your code organized and efficient. No more copy-pasting the same code over and over again. Functions are like the superheroes of code reusability. Think of a function as a mini program within your program. You give it a name, define what it does, and then call it whenever you need that task performed. It's like having a specialized tool for every coding job. Need to calculate the area of a circle? Boom! There's a function for that. Want to format a string in a specific way? No problem. Function to the rescue. Functions not only make your code neater, but also make it easier to debug and maintain. If you need to change how something works, you only need to update the function, not every instance of that code in your program. Talk about a time saver. Here's an example of a simple function, Python def greet name. Print hello plus name plus. Greet Alice, greet Bob. This function takes a name as input and prints a greeting. We can call this function multiple times with different names, making our code concise and adaptable. With functions, your code becomes more modular and powerful, ready to tackle any challenge. Section 4, dictionaries, because life's not always linear. Lists are great, but sometimes you need more than just a linear collection of items. Enter dictionaries, the key value superstars of Python. They're like magic bags where you can store information using unique keys instead of numerical indexes. Think of it as a personalized address book for your data. Dictionaries let you associate any value with a specific key, making it easy to retrieve and update information. Need to store student names and their grades? A dictionary is your best friend. Want to associate product IDs with their prices? Dictionary to the rescue. It's like having a super organized filing system for your code. Dictionaries are incredibly versatile and widely used in Python programming. They provide a flexible way to structure data, making your code more efficient and readable. Here's a simple example. Print and the output will be 90. This code creates a dictionary of student names and their grades. We can access Alice's grade using her name as the key. Dictionaries make it a breeze to work with structured data in a clear and intuitive way. Section 5, conclusion. Keep calm and Python on. Congratulations, Python Padawans. You've leveled up your coding skills and are well on your way to Python mastery. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. Keep experimenting, building, and pushing your boundaries. The Python community is vast and welcoming, so don't be afraid to ask questions and share your creations. What are your thoughts on lists, loops, functions, and dictionaries? Which concept excites you the most? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more Python adventures. Until next time, keep calm and Python on.